Hey guys, welcome to Chai Time. Today we are going to see besan laddu sweet recipe. For this, take a kada and pour 8 spoons of oil and make sure the oil is heated up well and keep the flame in medium flame. When the oil is heated up, pour a glass of besan flour and fry them well in the hot heated up oil. Make sure you are not keeping in a high flame for this whole process so that the besan will not get burnt off. When you keep on frying, you will see lumps, large quantities of lumps, but don't get scared. Without scaredness, just keep on frying it. When the besan flour's color changes, in sense all the besan flours which you have poured should turn into this orangish color or some color. It depends on the besan flour which you pour. But make sure a color changes should be even for all the besan flours which you have poured. And then you just off the stove and keep in a countertop and smash all the lumps which you have got. See, I'm just smashing it using a spatula because the besan flours will be really hot. So you can use spatula or any kind of tools to just smash off. Then keep on the stove and keep it in a low flame and add a 1/4 glass of heated up and cooled milk. Okay, just keep on stir it now. When all the 1/4 cup of milk is absorbed, now you can add a half glass of milk again and just mix them well. Make sure this mixing up with milk is carried out in low flame. When you just mix up, all the milks will be absorbed by this besan flour, and this besan flour won't get stick to the vessel which you have used. And this is the time it's like this besan flour and milk mixture is perfect. Now off the flame, and with this besan flour make it to cool them. Once it's just warm, you can add half glass of sugar to it and mix them well with your hands, so that by the heat of the besan flour which you have little heat, this will make sure this will melt the sugars when you just mix them with your hands. Okay, don't mix them when it's too cool. Okay, if it's too cool, just make sure you heat up again and then mix with sugar. Only when it has heat, the sugar will be melted soon, otherwise it will take more time. Then you have to make and crumble it like a dough which you do for some other dishes. See, I'm just smashing and again and just making like a dough. And now you have to grease your hands. Take a small quantities of this sweet and just make them into round balls and just serve it. I'm just making all the besan laddus, and then for a decoration I don't have any nuts now. So what I did was I took peanuts and just cutted them and chopped them well and just decorating it. Even without having anything, you can just decorate everything well. See, our yummy sweet is ready. See, it's just soft and silky. You can just try this recipe and just comment below like whether you got well or not. You can subscribe our channel and also like it.